Hello, I'm in a 2002 Toyota Avalon, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So while the vehicle's off and the hood's open, we'll find your dipstick here. So we'll pull this all the way out, wipe it clean with a paper towel or rag, stick it all the way back in, then pull it all the way back out. And then on the side here, you should see these two dots. The dot on the left is like your full, and the dot towards the right is your low. So you want to make sure the oil is pretty close, if not at that dot on the left. And let's say we are low and you wanted to add some oil. Stick this all the way back in. While the vehicle's still off, we'll unscrew this cap. But first, make sure you've got the right type of oil that you're adding, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand of oil you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But with this unscrewed and with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill if you can help it as well. But once you've added oil, screw this back on nice and tight. And then I would start the vehicle and run it for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil. Turn the engine back off, and then repeat the process we did in the very beginning with this dipstick to see if we're at that full mark. And all that said, I would not do any of this in replacement of regular oil changes, which typically you would do by putting the vehicle on a slight lift so you can get to the oil pan underneath. You'll pull the oil plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the oil plug back in nice and tight, and then back from the top of your motor here, just add the recommended amount of oil for your particular motor for an oil change. Screw this back on tight, and then again circulate oil through the motor with the vehicle on for 5 seconds or so. Turn it off, and then check once again your dipstick to see if we're at the full mark. But I hope all this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.